Let's move over to the demo account first to get an idea of how SentryPC works on a system or device. It's going to take you to this page where you have a link to click, and it now takes you to the dashboard. So but before we go further, please bear in mind that this is just a demo. It's an opportunity created by SentryPC developers for anyone who wants to try out the product before purchasing. Let's dive in. Here we have the recent activity where it's updating. This is the timer, and once it clocks, it's updating. So it monitors the applications you've used. At each, it gives you timestamps. This is the time. It monitors the applications, the events. Events are things you do. Could be playing music, could be typing in something into a website to search, whatever it is. It also gives you the files you've used within that period. It gives you the websites you've visited. So I think the recent activity update time is set to 14 seconds, so that's pretty cool. Like, it resets and shows you updates as soon as possible. Now here we have an account overview. This is the central account overview. You have the devices that are connected and the users using these devices, and here it's meant to show you the past total usage in the past 24 hours. Obviously it's a demo account, so it doesn't have much info on that. So let's break down this. So laptops, the devices, the version, and then the users that are on the devices. This would be the total amount of time, and this would be the breakdown of each for each device. It also shows you time that the device was not being used. You see the total username and then the last login. Please bear in mind that for you to use a SentryPC software on your device, any of your devices, you need to get a SentryPC license. It's kind of like antivirus scheme. Basically, once you purchase the license, it allows you to download and use features. You get access to the features. Let's move on. This is the account activity. Here you can view account related activities which have occurred, including the IP address and the date and time they happened. Events include logging in, logging out, subscription changes, profile changes, and more. Here you can check your activity or anyone else who is connected to the accounts, what they've been doing, basically the activity, and also the IP address. You can literally search and check if the IP address looks quite different from yours. It means someone has tampered or gotten access to the accounts. So we did talk about licenses. You can buy as much licenses as you want to. I believe this is the interface for buying a license, or as many as you want to. So let's get back to this. So this is the notification part, notification queue. You get all the notification related to every single setting that you've set up on your dashboard. It gives you information, every single information that you need to know. So sorted.exe is an application. It's actually a game, and for some reason it's a blocked application here. Maybe your parents, you don't want your kids to play they love solitaire, and they keep on playing it and they don't even have time to work or do your stuff. You can completely block it, or allow them to use it for a certain amount of time. It could be set to like 2 hours max a day, and whenever they want to use or play the game, it's automatically blocked, and it sends you the notification that it's blocked. Like I told you earlier, you can block keywords, you can block websites, you can block applications. So here we have a blocked keyword. It also shows you alerts about when a notification is started or when a window is viewed and other things. This is the settings for the notification. You can set which device gets the notification, where it's being sent to. You can edit the email where your alerts are sent to. These are overviews, active idle activities, locations, mouse, keyboards, and screenshots. I want us to particularly focus on screenshots because we're still going to talk about it in the plans and pricing. So each license you get, each category of license you get, gives you access to screenshots. SentryPC basically takes screenshots of activities that people on your device use. It doesn't just record and send you or monitor or spy and all of that and give you real-time monitoring. It also gives you screenshots, and this is all done in the background. That's the beauty. Screenshots of what's going on in your system. Obviously this is a demo, but it's screenshots and a sense, and you can access them here. You can, I believe you can download. Yes, this is the download button, full screen. So you can toggle slideshow. So it's ASAP. It does that, and it gives you the timestamp. Activity alerts concerning the activity. I just discovered this geofence. I'm guessing it has location capabilities too, where you can like track the device whether it's past a certain location. So this is the activity logs for applications, calls, clipboards, events, files, keystrokes, stuff you type, words you type, online searches, portable drives you insert, print jobs, screenshots, sessions, text, websites, windows. Every single thing. It's super monitored by SentryPC. Let's go into the activity viewers. Basically events and activities. It allows you to check for new activities in your account, and it adds them below if it finds any. Automatically refreshes too. The same thing. They basically check for new activities in your files, your keystrokes, your text. This has to do with content filtering. If you remember, I talked about how you can block out certain content. You can block out applications, you can block out keywords, websites, categories of websites. You have option to select anyone you want. Okay, so for this geofencing to work, location services must be enabled, and SentryPC is listed as using its location services. I think what they're trying to say here is that if SentryPC is using your location services, it's going to be showing, it's going to be active. You can see it there. But if you want it to operate as easy as possible, you may not want to enable geofencing. So, but it's pretty cool. Security options. You can edit the security options for each user. And they're saying that the changes don't take effect until the device is restarted. Okay. Alright, so like I talked about earlier, there are visualizations. SentryPC offers you visualizations, and you have the option to select as many filters, add anything and everything you want to understand what's exactly you're looking for. This is the concept, gives you this, that, and the last but not the least is the activity reports, which are a quick representation of all user activity in your account. Say results represent the number of activities currently stored in your account. So it does this for alerts, applications, calls, clipboards, and the rest of them. And here you have your archive. You can customize however you want, and once you download, you unzip and you can view it or print it and more. Support, yeah, has support. I've heard that SentryPC has excellent support. I don't think they have live chat, but their customer support team responds quickly. So you should have like change logs where you can contact them, the support team, help documentation and installation guide. And that's it.